Hi, this is Steven, developer advocate from Event Store. In the last video, you reviewed how traditional application performs read and write. In this video, we will look at how event source application handles writes and commands and how it persists decisions made as a result. Let's get started. An event-sourced application starts in a similar manner to traditional applications. A user triggers an update through the UI, which sends a command to application layer. However, instead of executing the command with the business logic as before, the command is executed by a decider. A decider is a function that decides if and how a command would change the system. It is similar to the business logic, except it focuses solely on logic related to the write or command side of the application, not so much the read or query side. If the decider determines that the command can be executed, it creates an event that will be saved. An event is a fact that has occurred. Generally, it represents a completed action or a decision made. For example, using a request loan command, the decider function decides it can be executed. As a result, it creates a loan requested event that includes details like the borrower's information and the loan amount. After creating the event, the application layer saves the event to a database that we call the event store. An event store is an event sourcing database designed for storing events in sequence as they occur. The events in the event store represents all the business actions, decisions, and changes made in the system. It is often considered as a source of truth for the system. Once the event is saved in the event store, the command is considered to be successfully executed, and the action it represents is complete. And this, in a nutshell, is how you make a change in an event-sourced application. In this video, you have begun to explore how event sourcing works by learning how event-sourced applications perform write operations. You were introduced to the decider pattern, a function that decides if and how a command would change the system. The event is a fact that occurred, usually representing an action or decision. And the event store is an event sourcing database designed for storing events in sequence as they occur. In the next module, we will discuss how event sourcing handles queries and reads from the database. Enjoy, and see you in the next one.